Think Solid Surface, the smart choice for a hygienic and easy-to-clean benchtop. From everyday mess to stubborn stains, most marks can be wiped away using common household cleaners. Let's put it to the test. Permanent marker, Betadine, pure saffron, turmeric, black tea, lemon, red wine, raw chicken. These are some of the toughest stains as they contain strong dyes, natural tannins, acids or proteins. Dried spills are no match for a little spray and wipe. Not even nail polish remover will damage your benchtop. In fact, it will remove your permanent marker. To remove stains, apply a small amount of Jif cream to the surface and gently rub with a damp sponge in a circular motion. This helps lift stains without damaging the surface. Wipe away any residue with a clean, damp cloth, and your benchtop is good as new. Prepping raw meat? No stress. Think Solid Surface is non-porous, meaning no bacteria gets trapped. A quick clean with disinfectant, and it's safe to use again. Think Benchtops. Cleaning made easy.